Here's A, and it takes 2 weeks. And we have B here. B takes 3 weeks. And C takes 2 weeks. And D and it takes 4 weeks. And we know that the predecessor of D is A and B. So I'm gonna A and B. And then we have E. So I'm gonna put E here. E, and it takes 4 weeks. And I'm gonna put F here. That's F, and it takes 3 weeks. And then finally H. And H takes, is it 2 weeks? Right, and then the predecessor of E is C. And what about F? C. And then predecessor of G is D and E. E, F, G. Oh, I don't have G. G, and G takes 5 weeks. And G, D, and E. D and E here. And then we have H, F, and G. So H is here. And F and G. And H takes 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. Okay, now I'm ready to work on forward method first. And forward method. So here, the earliest time we can start is 0, and late start, early finish is going to be 2. And here 0 and 3. C, we have only one late early finish, so automatically it's 2, and it's 4 here. And D, we have 2 and 3, and you have to choose max of 2 and 3, so it's going to be 3, and that's 7. And now here F, that's 4 and 7, and 4 and 8. And here we have to choose 8 and 7, so max of 8 and 7. So we have to choose 8, and that's 13, and 7 and 13. So max of 7 and 13 gives you 13, and 13 plus 2 is 15. So we know it takes 15 weeks for us to finish this project. And then let's work on backward method. So the latest time we can finish is week 15. So you give that. And 15 minus 2 is 13. And we have only one late start for activity F and G. So 13 and 13 goes here. And 13 minus 5 gives you 8. And 13 minus 3 gives you 10 here. And the next one is this activity E So 8 goes here, and A minus 4 is 4. And 8 goes there, A minus 4 is 4 here. And now here we have to determine, because minimum of what? Minimum of 10 and 4. And you have to choose minimum of that. The latest time I can finish this project is 4. So minimum 4 goes here. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And here again, you have to choose minimum of 2 and 4. And you have to choose 2 and 0. And here 4 and 1. So slack is going to be 2 minus 2 equals 0. Slack is 4 minus 3 equals 1. And this one, slack equals 0. This one, slack equals 1. Slack is 0. Slack is 8. S is 0. S is 0. Therefore, critical path is this one, this one, this one, G, and H. So critical path equals A to C to E to G to H, and it takes 15 weeks. So we can say the critical path for this project is ACEGH, and it takes 15 weeks for you to finish this project. And so what does it mean by this critical path? So if something happens on ACEGH, for example, it was prolonged by 1 week or 2 weeks, that means the entire project is going to be prolonged as much as you have extended that task. So it is important for you as a project manager to finish this task in time as you have planned. Otherwise, it will critically extend your project itself. So that's what it means by critical path. At the same time, the slack, right? For example, F is slack. The slack is 8, right? So that means, oh wow, you got a lot of time, a lot of slack. It's not urgent, and you can play around with it and think of on a way to do this project. And you have slack of B and D as well. So that gives you some leeway to work around your project. That's what it means by this project management, and how to find a critical path, early start, early finish, and so forth.